Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok app. So today I will show you how to use multiple effects in TikTok. So as you can see right now we are on our TikTok and on the profile page. So as an example, we will record a new TikTok and I will show you how to add different effects during the recording. So let's pick on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to start recording. Later, we need to pick on this effects option at the bottom of the screen to select the needful effect, the needful filter. So as an example, I will choose this one, which is the first and least. And let's record a new TikTok. So I will choose as an example this logo to show you the difference that we use different effects in one video. So let's start after tapping on this red central button. Yes, well done. And right now to switch between effects, let's pick on this section again and let's choose another one. So let's pick on this one as an example. This is one of my favorites. And in the same way, I will choose this logo. So repeat settings after tapping on the central button. Perfect. Let's tap on the check mark here and check the result. As you can see, the first part of our TikTok is with one effect and the second one is with another. So I hope that right now you know how to switch between different filters and create cool TikToks on your device, in your app. So if you want to save this TikTok after, let's pick on the next K. And of course you can post this TikTok or save it to the draft section. I will choose the second option and let's refresh our profile page to check if this newly created TikTok was smoothly saved. As you can see, this is our cool TikTok. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok channels to find out more cool phone tricks and tutorials about the TikTok app.